Being a top athlete isn't just about winning, it's about living under constant rules and checks. Iga Świątek talks about the intense daily routines and pressures of being a professional tennis player. She explains how even waking up early, dealing with strict schedules, and waiting for possible doping controls can be exhausting. Simple things, like adjusting to a new hotel or hearing a doorbell, become stressful. Overall, she shares that managing all these rules and expectations is tough, but it teaches resilience and discipline, both on and off the court.